material required: 2 balloons of the same shape, a wooden rod and string. How to do procedure? Blow up both of the balloons so that they are the same size and tie them with the string. Tie the string to the either end of the rod. Tie another piece of string to the center of the rod so that the balloon balance has shown. Let the air out of one of the balloons. The balloon scale will now be tightened. When the balloons are both filled with air, the weight are same and therefore balanced. When the air is let out of one balloon, they no longer have the same weight. See children, now we have to remove the air of one balloon. Slowly, the size of the balloon is getting decreased. See here, can you see? The size of one balloon is getting smaller? Yes? Stop it. So the balloon filled with air is heavier than the balloon with no air inside it. So we can say that air has weight. So this balloon have air and in this balloon the air gets decreased. Okay? So we will conclude that air has weight. See here. Can you see here? Yes? This balloon has weight, no? So this balloon is getting heavier. So it is bending this side. This balloon, slowly the air of this balloon is getting reduced. So see the balance of this balloon. Is it okay?